Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pharmacypedia. This is Dr. Shikha Chauhan, and in this session I'm going to start another series focused on GPAT 2021. So we are going to learn the different aspects, different sorts of the questions raised about the examination GPAT, and we shall also further discuss about the different important strategies to be built up to crack GPAT 2021. So I want all my students, final year students, to pay attention to the series. I'm sure it's going to help you out, everyone. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel Pharmacypedia for getting further updates and information about GPAT 2021. So let us begin. In this session, I'm going to cover few basic parts. So let us first try to understand what are the important GPAT dates alert. So final year students, GPAT 2021 have to be alerted because very soon you're going to get the notification for the examination. So the tentative timelines are for the commencement of applications for GPAT 2021 it is going to be start from first week of November, and the application filling date ideally is till second week of the December. Last date to upload the documents and application fees is tentatively scheduled for second week of December. Last date to select the examination city. There are a number of options you can select for the examination centers. So you can give by fourth week of December. GPAT examination would is ideally conducted in the fourth week of January 2021. Question paper and candidate response sheets are released in the fourth week of January 2021. And availability of the answer key also comes at the same time. So everything happens in the January last week. And the declaration of the GPAT results comes within first week of January 2021 since it's an online examination. Now, what are the general queries which have to be, which is GPAT aspirant should know? So for this is the application fees for the GPAT examination. So for the general candidates, it's 1600 rupees, and for SC/ST candidates, it's 800. For the female students, fees is 800, and for the transgenders, it is 800 again. So this is the generally you should be aware what is the fees. Now about the GPAT 2021. So the GPAT stands for the Graduate Pharmacy Aptitude Test. So nowadays this test is conducted by National Level Entrance Test (NTA) agencies. So this is conducted by National Testing Agency. So till 2018 it was conducted by AICTE. So through this examination, aspirants get admission in the Masters MPharm courses. So GPAT score is well accepted by many AICTE approved institutions, universities, departments, colleges, and affiliated institutions. So the people who qualify the GPAT, they get the scholarship of around 12,500 as per the government norms these days. So if you see the last year cutoff for the GPAT examination, for general category, it was 163 marks, total marks. So the cutoff came around 163. So in the earlier years, it used to be around 150 in 2019. So every year it is almost raising to 15 to 20 marks. So the competition standard is elevating, and for the general category students, so every year almost 10 plus marks is going to contribute. So you can expect next year 2021 the qualifying marks to be somewhere around 175. So this is just tentatively based on the previous year's elevations and records. Not talking about the general cutoff. So cutoff depends on many factors. For example, the difficulty level of the examination, the category of the candidate, the number of candidates, total number of the candidates who appears in the entrance examination, then availability of the seats. So almost for the MPharm admission, the seats are around 39,000. And even the previous year cutoffs, it all depends on all these factors. Now, other important things GPAT aspirant should know is that the examination is conducted once a year only, and the mode is online mode. There are about total number of questions of 125, and total duration of the examination is 3 hours. The total marks is 500. You get for one positive response, you get 4 marks, and for one wrong answer, there is a negative marking and -1 mark is being deducted. Now, there were some important questions, and these questions keep on changing and highlighting in every examination. For example, in the GPAT 2020, some questions from jurisprudence came into limelight, like cosmetic manufacturer related questions, and in jurisprudence, various laws. So